The bolt and the spring-loaded securing bracket that are supplied with this mounting stand make it possible to attach the stand between the studs of a hollow interior drywall surface. Do not drill into any wall without first determining if there are plumbing pipes or electrical wiring within the wall. Serious damage or injury may result if this precaution is not taken. All right, so here we have the Conquest. Once the connector is assembled, all we're going to do is remove the first two bombs. We're going to seat this part of the plastic in front of the wheels, and we are going to slide these notches over where the missiles go. It's as simple as it gets. Reattach the missiles. And now we're ready to put it on the wall. And Conquest is on the wall. So we just took the fins off here just so that we could flip this thing upside down and make it for an easier installation, so we didn't hurt the fins. So that's just replacing the fins at this point.